Mail Queen. I lied, I do have another haul. So, a couple of things came in the mail. And then I did go to Hobby Lobby. I was looking for something. And I have a small haul from Michael's as well. So let me go ahead and share that. So at Hobby Lobby, let me just tell you what I got there. The stickers were 50% off this week, so I did grab some gemstones. Actually, it's the whole Paper Studio. All of Paper Studio are 50% off. So I was able to get these for $2, and I wanted them because last week I thought they were on sale, and when I brought it to the register I asked and they weren't. So I actually went back for these, and they're so cute. They're teeny tiny gemstones. I might have bought these in the past, I can't remember, but or maybe I was gifted them, I don't know, but they're so cute, and I think it's just going to be perfect for an Easter project. I'm already missing one, as you guys can see here. That's why I'm fixing it. I already opened it, so I'll share that with you guys another video. So they did come in this type of flower, and then this one, actually this one's called pastel flowers. They're 12 millimeters, and then this one is they're called bright flowers. So it's just a different shape, just a slightly bigger than the other one. And then this one here, these are the butterflies, bright butterflies, and they're so cute. So I went back for those since I couldn't get them last week. I went ahead and just got this die cut. I figured it'd be a good background, and it was only 75 cents, so it was on clearance. And then I was actually there because I was looking for another wax seal. Those of you who know or who've been hauling also the wax seals, some are clearanced, some are not. And the clearance items were $4. But because I didn't find any, first of all, I didn't find any of the clearance items. But I did find some wax seals, and because they were Paper Studio, they were 50% off. So I paid a little more for them, but I really wanted a heart seal. And so I decided to grab this one, and so I did pay $6.50 for this. So $2.50 more, but at least I'm getting, you know, something that I really wanted. And these are a little bit bigger than the other wax seal. Remember this one that I bought? These are tinier and not as deep. So I don't know. I'm going to have to do a test on all these wax seals that I bought. And then I'll have to share that on another video for you guys. But stay tuned for that. This one's called Love Wax Seal. And so it comes with, first of all, it comes with these different colors of wax, so I really like that. And then there's a rose and a heart, so really pretty. So I had to grab this one, and again, $6.50. So those of you who are looking for these wax seals and you can't find the clearance ones, look at the area where they have envelopes, you know, those kind of items. You'll find these, and there's a couple of other ones that I did not pick up. They're normally $12.99. This one I had to grab because it has the little crown, and I think it's perfect. Hopefully this this will also stamp well. Not stamp, but you know what I mean. Because they're a little bit more shallow. They're not deep like this one. So we'll see. But this is bigger and this one's smaller. So I did grab those. So I'll hold on to those. If I find any of the other wax seals that are on clearance, then, you know, maybe I'll bring one of them back. Okay, so that was all for all the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. So then I was at Michael's, and I did pick up a couple of things because I had a coupon. So I wanted this last time I was there, but because I went there looking for something else, I couldn't use my coupon because I used it for that other item. So I decided to get it this time, and it was still there. And this is the Cut and Emboss Recollections. It's actually a Sizzix. I don't know. I guess it's by Sizzix. No, sorry. Compatible with Sizzix Cuttlebug and Spellbinders. Oops. My bad. I was reading Sizzix there, but it's not. It's a Recollections brand. Anyway, it's it comes with all of these, and it says Dream. So you have a couple of word dice, Dream and Magical. And then you have the, well, you can see here what you have. There you go. You have the rainbow. I'm sorry, I'm just not talking well today. And then this one, and I've been wanting this one for a while. I keep seeing it, and then I end up not picking it up. So I finally did get it. And I think Sophia has this one. Hey, girl. I finally got this one because I guess I was waiting for it to go on sale. This was 40% off. So I did grab it, and last time it was on, you know, it's been on sale actually, I think. I just keep putting it back. I don't know why. Because I got a different unicorn stamp last time. Yeah, I'm still crazy about unicorns. So yeah, now I think I have like 3 or 4 Stamp and Die unicorn. Whoa, can't talk. Okay, so there's that. And then I grabbed this from the $2 aisle, $2 bins, just because I just think they're really cute. And I've been eyeing this one, and I keep, again, one of those things where I keep putting it back. There's still other things that I want from that aisle, but I'm going to wait because I'm going to use my 30% coupon when I do go. But since this was the last one, you guys, I decided to go ahead and just grab it. Whoops, I just messed that up. These are the magical postcards, and so let me just show you in case you have not seen them. So they're plain in the back. Regularly $9.99. Oh, I'm sorry, this was a Hobby Lobby one. Oops, got mixed up with my I'm just not with it today. So this one comes with a stencil, and let me just take out the stamp for you guys. Oh, is it attached? Oh, maybe it's attached. Well, I'll take it out there. So this one, I guess that's, see, because there's other ones here I wanted to show you. Sorry guys, I should have done this off camera. They seem to be taped to one another. Okay, but I wanted to just share this one separately because then you can't see the top. Be happy, be bright, be you. See that? Let me do that. And then cherished, dream big, smile, love this, sparkle, hello, shine bright. Really cute. I mean, that's a lot of stamps for that price. So I mainly got it for the stamps, but I also like the stencil. So that would make a really cute background. So went ahead and grabbed that. There were other stencils, you guys, or other sets. So you might want to check it out at your Hobby Lobby. So that's the Hobby Lobby, and this is the Michaels haul. And then lastly, I got this pack from the mail. I bought it online, and I had to grab it because I got the Fashionista paper, as you guys saw. And I think we were all crazy about the Fashionista paper at Hobby Lobby. and I had to get the coordinating ephemera pack. So actually this one I'm going to show you first is the frames and tags. So it's really cute, and I really love all the different little quotes. I love it. So anyway, there's the frame. You got this one right here, a tag. See, smiles are always in fashion. I love all the words. Retail therapy. You deserve it all. Yes, we do, ladies. Classy and sassy. Oh, so pretty. Chic happens. Fabulous, yes. And then you have some, what do you call it, banner there. Another tag, another banner, a little, what do you call it, flower. Work hard so you can shop harder. Actually, this should be, have your husband work hard so you can shop harder. That's so funny. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Oh, that's separate. Isn't that pretty? I love all these. Hello, gorgeous. Look at how cute. I'm probably going to cut these pieces, though, because I kind of don't like that look about it. But that's okay. Life is short. Make every outfit count. Yes. I believe in wearing pink. Yes, yes. My favorite color. Shoes speak louder than words. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look at all the pretty, pretty, pretty stilettos. Okay, and then you have another label there. Here's another tag. Look how pretty that tag is. I love it. I describe style in 3 words. Attitude, attitude, attitude. The only BS I need is bags and shoes. Really cute. And look at this little storefront. And then I think that's it for, that's the frames and tags. And then you have the ephemera pack. This is a lot, I know, but I really want to do another album. I have to do a fashion album, you guys. Honestly, with all the stuff that I have here, I can definitely do it. And look at all these pieces that you get. Okay, so, and then the ephemera pack. So I absolutely love, love, love all these pieces and all the little sentiments and words, and I love it. So that is Fashionista by Echo Park. Awesome, awesome. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.